In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on DGB future while talking about DIGIBYTE cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like DGB. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the DIGIBYTE value forecast and answer questions in the event that DIGIBYTE is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will DGB succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will DGB value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is DIGIBYTE and its to-date history. DIGIBYTE intro. If you are not a lot into digital currencies, you presumably didn't caught wind of the subsequent level coins like DIGIBYTE. Furthermore, that is exactly the motivation behind why DGB, in spite of their component extravagance and predominant tech, will struggle with enduring the 2020. DIGIBYTE is generally viewed as one of the most secure digital forms of money out there, to some extent because of a few bits of crypto innovation, like the DigiShield or its 5 mining calculations, that the venture created and carried out. Its long-term presence makes it one of the more seasoned projects available, one that figured out how to grow to throughout 200,000 hubs over the course of the time period. Apparently centered around the systems administration viewpoint at that point, DIGIBYTE continues moving along the way of accomplishing more extensive reception in the realm of crypto. Notwithstanding, absence of presence on the greatest trades like Coinbase and bussnies takes care of into a generally powerless memorability, which is one of the central point for the improvement of the confidence in an installment money. Innovation alone will not get you there. Individuals need to foster a common conviction that a cash can protect their incentive for what's in store. DIGIBYTE is a long way from that status at this moment. DGB price prediction 2022. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. DIGIBYTE price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 24.63%, $0.0078. 2022 November minus 43.00%, $0.0059. 2022 December minus 26.56%, $0.0076. 2023 Jan minus 22.67%, $0.0080. 2023 February minus 18.05%, $0.0085. 2023 Mar minus 9.84%, $0.0094. 2023 April minus 6.44%, $0.0097. 2023 May minus 5.72%, $0.0098. 2023 June minus 1.64%, $0.0102. 2023 July plus 11.90%, $0.0116. 2023 August plus 14.29%, $0.0119. 2023 September plus 17.60%, $0.0122. DigiByte price prediction 2025 to 2030, 2040. Our expectation model sees DGB coming to $0.0154 in 2025. What will DGB be worth in 5 years? The cost of DGB in 5 years could lie around $0.0187. What DigiByte will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees DigiByte coming to $0.0386 in 2030. What DigiByte will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees DigiByte coming to $0.0771 in 2040. Will DigiByte supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, DigiByte won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might DigiByte at any point reach 10 cents? Indeed, DigiByte can reach 10 cents toward the finish of 2025. Could DigiByte at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigiByte to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could DigiByte at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigiByte to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could DigiByte at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigiByte to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Might DigiByte at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigiByte to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is DigiByte worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly and safe financial planning. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large-cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, DigiByte merits purchasing. Is DigiByte a wise speculation? DigiByte is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will DigiByte be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.00